Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can apply for overdrafts on Barclays. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up any type of preferred browser and search for Barclays. Now open up the first site that comes up and simply log in with your own account. Create one if you don't have any account to continue along. Anyways, after logging in, simply select the dedicated search feature presented right next to menu icon. Here search for overdraft, and then a number of options will start to appear. Simply select the last one stating eligibility. Now, you'll need to verify and check if you're eligible or not. Once you have eligibility, you can just select the account type and amount and you are done. That's how you can apply for overdrafts on Barclays. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.